I love vegetables. Vegetables are an important source of many nutrients required by our body. Let us learn about them. Carrot. Carrots are orange in color. Carrots grow underground and are sweet in taste. Potato. Potatoes are brown in color. Potatoes grow underground.
Peas. Peas are green in color. Peas grow on plant. Peas are small and can be eaten raw or cooked. Onion.
Onions grow underground. They come in white and pink color. Onions can be eaten raw or cooked. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower is generally white in color. Its shape resembles a big flower.
Radish.
Radishes are white and grow underground. Radish has a spicy and crisp taste. It is often eaten raw in salads.
Capsicum. Capsicums come in different colors such as red, yellow, and green. They have a sweet taste. Tomato. Tomatoes are red in color. They are very juicy. We should eat vegetables every day.